Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I got this look right here. A royal blue and gold halo eye with some very tan skin. I may have used the wrong shade, but we blended it and we made it work. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now.
anyways, that's how I got this look. If you guys liked it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassieBeauty, YT, same it's spelled terrible, Twitter and Instagram. Also, go follow my brand's Instagram, which is SassieBeauty, as well as go shop SassieBeauty on Etsy. All the links will be down below, as well as the link to the Google Doc of where you can go purchase all the products that I used in this video. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.